Hello friends, today I am going to solve problem set 2. Problem set 2 is based on practice set 2.1 to 2.6. In this problem set, I am taking some example. Example number 4. I am reading this example, you listen it carefully. If one root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0 is minus 2. Find the value of k. In this example, we have to find out k value. How we can find out this k value? We can see here, in this example, they give a root of the quadratic equation, that is x is equal to minus 2. This x is equal to minus 2, substitute in this equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. Then you can find k value. Let's see. 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2 is the root of the given quadratic equation. Substitute x is equal to minus 2 in equation. Therefore, 2x square plus kx minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into bracket minus 2 square plus k into bracket minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 2k plus into minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4 to the 8 minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2k is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 2k is equal to minus 6. 6 is transfer. Therefore, k is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2. You can divide 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Therefore, answer is, the value of k is 3. You got the answer. It is very easy. All of you understood this example? Problem set 2, example number 9. I am reading example number 9. You listen it carefully. The sum of two roots of a quadratic equation is 5 and the sum of their cube is 35. Find the equation. In this example, how we can find the equation? First, we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Then you can find equation. Let's see. Let alpha and beta be the root of the quadratic equation. From the given condition, I am reading the condition. You just listen it. The sum of the two roots of quadratic equation is 5. Means alpha plus beta is equal to 5. And sum of their cubes is 35. Means alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35. Here you can use the formula alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to, in bracket, alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta, and then put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta. Put the value. Alpha cube plus beta cube value is 35 is equal to alpha plus beta value is 5 bracket cube minus 3 into alpha beta bracket 5. Therefore, 35 is equal to 125 minus 15 alpha beta. Therefore, 15 alpha beta is equal to 125 minus 35. After transferring the terms, get change. 35 become a minus 35 and minus 15 alpha beta become plus 15 alpha beta. Therefore, 15 alpha beta is equal to 90, means 125 minus 35 is equal to 90. Next step, therefore, alpha beta is equal to 90 upon 15. 90 divided by 15 is equal to 6. Therefore, alpha beta is equal to 6. The required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Here in this equation, put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Therefore, x square minus in bracket 5 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, answer is, the required equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. All of you understood? Very easy.